Old is definitely gold, and going back to age-old methods definitely ensures that we reduce our carbon footprint. So in today's video, I'll show you how you all can make this easy, non-toxic all-purpose cleanser that you can use for various cleaning purposes around the house. So let's begin to see how we can bring back this obsolete cleaning method into our daily lives. To make this, you will need soap nuts, and I'll be using the extract by boiling method for demonstrating. On a stove top, place a pot and add 2 cups of water. To this, add 6 soap nuts. You can increase your measurements accordingly to make larger quantities. Now, allow this to come to a boil on high heat. Once it starts boiling, turn down the heat to medium, give it a stir and let this simmer for 30 minutes. This liquid starts changing color. I used a masher to further mash up the nuts, but it's optional. The brown liquid now slowly will start releasing saponin and rise like you see. Make sure the suds don't overflow now. Just turn off the stove and let the liquid cool. It's now time to drain this liquid using some sort of thin cloth or a strainer. You can also soak these nuts overnight to extract the saponin, which is the other method called extraction by soaking. Both ways yield the same brown solution, which is extremely environmentally friendly. Now squeeze out every bit of the sud from the cloth. Funnel this into your favorite container and use this liquid to wash dishes, clean your laundry, windows, furniture, car, etc. Remember, this is very watery and it does feel a little bit soapy, but not too much. You will see the suds when you shake it. Smaller batches last for 2 weeks, but if you batch make larger quantities, ensure that you store it in the refrigerator. I hope you can all make this brown liquid and incorporate this into your daily cleaning routine. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. As always, do not forget to like and share this video. And if you're new here, please do take a minute to subscribe. Until next time, do not forget to make better choices for your better future.